Hey dolls, welcome back. We are unboxing Fab Fit Fun for fall. That was a mouthful. This is our third box of the year, and wait till you see what I got. I'm going to be talking about what the value of the items are. I'm going to tell you about the subscription cost for Fab Fit Fun, and I'm going to give you a special link to try out your own box for the first time. You are going to love it, so keep watching. So I'm really excited to see what came in this box, and the reason why is because I only customized a few of the items, and some of them I left up to chance. So it's usually kind of like Christmas when that happens. So when you first open up your Fab Fit Fun box, and I've talked about this before in past episodes for spring and summer, which I will link both below, the first thing that you see is your Fab Fit Fun magazine. And the reason that it's important to break this out before you unpack your box is because you're going to open it and you're going to see something called what's in the box. So in this case, what's in your fall box. So it's really, really a lot of fun. So you start with your Fab Fit Fun magazine, and then you get cracking on unpacking. Pulling out all my paper. Ooh. Okay, this is legit a fun little box. So the first item that I got was actually a customized item, and it's Dose & Company Pure Collagen Peptides. It's in powder form. I do take collagen every morning. I do a scoop in my coffee every morning, and sometimes I'll do an extra scoop in the afternoon in a protein shake, or if I have a second cup of coffee, or what have you. I was really excited to get this. It was really the first time I'd ever seen something like this, so I was really excited to try it. And this is the value. Okay, my next item is an Our House item, and I don't think this was one that I customized. So they sent me the Moroccan Spice Candle. And oh my goodness, just through the box alone, I'm like, this smells amazing. So let's check it out. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Okay, this candle is first of all really well packaged. So it's a brushed copper canister with a poured candle. And oh my goodness, this is absolutely amazing. Again, it is by Our House, which is a interior design company. They have great furniture. They have all types of really cool stuff. And in this case, their candles are absolutely gorgeous. Again, Moroccan Spice Candle. And this particular candle value is Okay, next item. This is by the Two Bandits, and it is a tiered catch-all tray. Yes, this I actually customized and requested. I thought this was really, really cool, and I'm going to show you. I absolutely love this catch-all tray. So cute. So you could put this on your bedside table for rings, earrings, whatever you want, your little necklace down here. But this is so adorable. It has a sort of Scandinavian decor appeal with the creamy white, the natural colored wood here, and just really super cute. So again, this was something that I did request. And this particular item, again by the Two Bandits, is, I was really looking forward to this. Okay, next item. This is by Earth Harbor. It's called Marina, and it is a Biome Brightening. And I always have to throw something beauty in my FabFitFun boxes. So when I went to do my customization, I had an opportunity to either customize my beauty products or let them just choose for me. In this case, they did choose for me, and this is what I got. This is absolutely beautiful. I love a serum product, and this packaging is just gorgeous with that baby blue liquid. Absolutely gorgeous. And super, super excited about this one. Always looking for new beauty products. And the value of the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening is... Thank you, FabFitFun. Okay, next thing. This is actually really good because I needed a hand cream to travel with me. This was something that I did not customize. FabFitFun did choose it for me based on my profile that's set up with fabfitfun.com. But this is a shea and moringa balm for the hands. But this feels amazing, and it's nice and thick. And as we start changing from season to season, I tend to get extremely dry. I don't know what my problem is, but that's just how it goes. And this particular hand balm, oh gosh, that feels just delicious. So this is, again, the True Moringa, I hope I pronounced that right, shea and moringa balm for hands. And the value of this is, wow. Okay, this is the next item that I got. And yes, I did customize this. And the reason why is because I can always use a good comb set. This is Zoe AYLA eco-friendly comb set, and the packaging is actually really super cool. And what this is specifically, look at how gorgeous that comb is. Pink, strong, very soft kind of finish, almost a suede finish, but it is a hard plastic, but the quality is really, really good. And this came along with, oh, I can't get it out of the package. Ah, yes, my fat comb. So these two items are absolutely great. I do use combs, even though I have a really thick hair shaft. I do use a larger comb all the time, actually, when my hair is dry and particularly when it's straight. But you can also use these in the shower. Once you're done washing your hair and conditioning your hair, as you do your rinse out, go through it with a comb. You're gonna find that you're gonna get a lot less tangles. Your hair is going to just be silky and soft. You're gonna put it up in your towel and hit it again with your big comb when you're done, and you do take it down from the towel when you go to style. This is just a really cute comb just because. So these are great for parting and doing things, but I mostly did it for this big tooth comb. This is a great comb set. I love it. The value is really, really nice. The next thing is, and I got a lot of stuff in this particular box. So much fun. Okay. This one was a definite customization. I wanted this so bad. And again, I always throw in a beauty item or two. This specifically is a glycolic age diffusing cleanser. And I wanted this like you have no idea. Look at the gorgeous size of this product. This is a full 6.75 fluid ounces. And again, one of the main reasons I love subscribing to FabFitFun and have for years and years is because every time you get a seasonal box, it's spring, summer, fall, and winter, you're not getting little tester sizes. You're getting full-sized products that last. And I love that because I'm only spending $195 for a full year. That's it for 4 boxes filled with goodies. Okay, last but not least, this was a definite customized item as well. This is the Golden Rabbit Enamelware Dutch Oven. And let me show you what it looks like. I can't even remember what it looks like, but I remember thinking, oh my gosh, this is such a cute concept. Oh yeah. Oh, you guys, I love this. Okay. Let go. How adorable is this little Dutch oven? Let me pull this out because I have to take out the lid. I literally cannot. How cute. Oh, so adorable. Again, Golden Rabbit Enamelware. It is a little Dutch oven, and here is the actual value. So cute. So that's it for this season's fall box from Fab Fit Fun. I am obsessed with this service. Again, I've been getting it for years and years, and here's why. This is what I spend annually for my subscription cost. This is what this particular entire box value is. I mean, it just makes sense, right? Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. You know what to do if you did. Share this video and check out my spring and summer unboxings so that you can really get a feel for what FabFitFun does for we gals who love to get our little Christmas presents early. Thanks for stopping in, and I will see you soon. Bye, dolls.